Your cut's done, but the shop still smells, and you're stuck waiting to open the lid. What if the smoke just was gone? I'm Laurent from Thunder Laser. Welcome back to the workshop. Today, 3 things in the next minute. Exactly how fast this machine, the Air Thunder 700, captures the smoke compared to this kind of small phone. On a real timer, no edit. The proof it works small and big machine. And why one box covers your whole Thunder Laser shop? And there is one number that surprised even me. Most of us run something like this, a small exhaust fan. And it's fine. It moves the air. But watch, the smoke lingers. It leaks out the gap. And you're still waiting before your dare open up. That waiting, that's what we're about to kill. Same cut, same machine, but now the Thunder Air 700. Watch the timer, just gone. That's fast capture. I open the lid right away, no cloud, no wait. Here is why we call it fast capture. High airflow pulls the smoke out the instant it's made. But airflow alone isn't enough. Static pressure is what keeps the capture strong through the duct, the elbows and the filters. 700 cubic meters an hour, 4,000 pascals. And it's not just blow outside, because we have 5 stages actually trap the particles and the smell. But that's a small machine, right? So I take the exact same Thunder Air 700 and roll it to the Nova Plus. Bigger blade, way more smoke, and watch, it clears too. A bit longer, but same box and same fast capture. This is the part most people switch for. Here is the thing. One Thunder Air 700 just handle a bolt, a Nova Plus, and it fits also to Titan, Titan Pro and Aurora series. No picking a different box for every machine. One air system for the whole shop. Cleaner optics, cleaner air, every machine. That's the difference. No more waiting into a face full of smoke. The lid opens, the air clean. And one Thunder Air 700 covers the whole bench. Because we are not building machine, we're building one ecosystem where every machine complete each other. If this helps, just hit subscribe. And the link to add the Thunder Air 700 to your setup is right below. I will see you at the next build. Take care and see you soon, guys.